Welcome to my YouTube channel Techno Mintra. This is Ankita Agrawal. Today we are going to learn how we can append an image to our HTML web page. We are aware about what are images you use everywhere and you see everywhere when you visit any website, and in those websites there are lots of web pages. So in those web pages you might have seen the images, even tables or text, or maybe the colorful text written over there. So we have learned so much far about all of them, but today we are going to learn about how we can append the image so that it will give a good look and feel to our web page. So basically for that we have a tag that is known as img. Okay, and then after that you have to specify the source. So over here I will write down src, and then for example image over here, for example maybe this image. So I have to right click and I have to just say properties. So you can see in the properties this is coming. So this is the source of that image. So if you want you can just copy it and you can write down over here equal to, and then control V, and then slash what was the image name. So over here you can see list.png, and then you can close it, and then you have to close the image tag. Okay, so by this you can specify the image. So let's just run and see, and for the information that image source doesn't have the closing tag, it will be like that only. So it's already over here. You can see Internet Explorer has been selected. If you need you can select any other explorer, whatever, any other web browser. Okay, so and then you have to go to your file and say run file. Let's just run and see. Well, see, now you can see that image is coming on our web page. So like this you can run your image, append the image in your web page. And other than that there are other attributes also. So src is one of the attribute, and after that we have align. So align is basically you can text your position, like you can text your arrange your image like how we did last time in the horizontal line. Or so over here also we can put it either in the left or in the right. So let's try with the right, and in the top, middle and bottom. So there are 5 positions in which you can arrange your image. So I have put it right now over here like this, and then let's run and see once again. So let's run the file. So now you can see it has been positioned on the right hand side. So same way you can put the rest of them also. Maybe when you are writing the text and you want the image on the right hand side, or maybe in the center, or maybe at the top or bottom and middle also. In the same way there is one more attribute that is known as the border. So you can put border around it. So let's say 4, or I think 10 will be more visible. Let's say 1 or 10. So now you can see a border has been placed around the image if you compare with the previous one in which there was no border. Okay, so this is the way we can put an image, but you have to specify the source, or basically the address where that image has been located, and you can even specify the height and width also. So like I just specify the height maybe 100 and width also maybe 100. Okay, so by this let's run and see now. I think the image size will reduce because actual size of this image was something 284 by 117. So right now we have made it very small. Okay, so these are the basic attributes that you can use. You can reduce the size, you can even align it in whichever way you want, you can even put borders. So these are all the things like you can do. And other than that, there is a attribute that is known as alt. Sometimes what happens, that image is not there. So when you will run this page, and when for example the image don't get loaded, so in that case this whatever I am writing, it will get displayed on the screen when the image don't load, maybe because of the wrong source address, or maybe because the internet is not running. So here in this you can specify some text that image is not running. So in that case this line will be displayed. So let me just run and show it to you also. Like if I made it as image list 1, and now just run, so you can see image is not running. Okay, because I wrote over here, because I wrote the address wrong, the image name wrong. So in that case this will be displayed on the screen. So this is the way you can append the image in your web page and make it more beautiful and attractive, and it will give a very good look and feel to the user also, because simply writing a text and working on it, it doesn't give a good look and feel. So I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel, and please share it to your friends and family. Thanks a lot.